The Elite Gourmet MST-900D slow cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed for today's busy families, offering ultimate cooking control with a 20-hour advanced programmable timer and low, medium, and high temperature control settings. With a large capacity of 8.5 quarts, this slow cooker is perfect for preparing a variety of dishes, from vegetarian stew and pot roast to soups, casseroles, and curries. The oval shape of the stoneware pot allows for slow cooking of large cuts of meat, ensuring there is always plenty of food to go around. The slow cooker's clear tempered glass lid traps in moisture and nutrients for delicious results, while also allowing a clear view of the cooking cycle. The Elite Gourmet MST-900D slow cooker is easy to clean, with a dishwasher-safe glass lid and removable oval crock, and the brushed stainless steel heating unit can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. This ETL-listed 300-watt slow cooker, with its elegant brushed stainless steel finish and large removable stoneware pot, makes a thoughtful housewarming or wedding gift.